Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027, how to align a text. So for example, I will create text, you can type text, and I will tap here example. Now you can copy the text objects. Now if you want to align these text objects, you can type align text, press enter, and then select all text objects, enter again. So for reference, I will use this text. Now you can click to here to align the text vertically. Okay, to align, you can use align text command. Select all objects text, and then for reference, I will click this text. Click to align. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027, how to align text.